This is a burglar alarm attached to coils, attached to transformer for a transistor. When I press the switch, it turns off the burglar alarm. You interrupt the current to the transistor, prints a loop, and activates the transistor, and it goes to the transformer and activates the speaker. And here's the new oscilloscope that I got. I have 2 oscilloscope measurements, but it's not doing what I want it to do. But it's still a cool little short video on a burglar alarm with the oscilloscope. Passive oscilloscope.